फॉर इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स $70 के बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे हैं, ठीक है. एंड या इट्स काइंड ऑफ फाइनेंशियल बर्डन इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग to a lot of different universities which heavily charge you for the application fees as well, just for the thinking कि like हाँ शायद माफ हो जाए. Yeah, if you're applying to 100% financial aid colleges, it's definitely you will get a lot of like aid or waiver कह सकते हो, but application fee waiver is a really tough thing. And in this video we will go over how to get the CSS profile fee waiver as well as a common app fee waiver. मैं कुछ really insider tips बताने वाला हूँ तुम लोगों को, so video को end तक देखना. And yeah, so now, major problem with Indians is that we are कंजूस and we are poor. Yeah, compared to American people, most of us are poor. ठीक है. So the CSS profile waiver is basically on three things. अगर तुम्हारा family income is like less than $1,00,000, so we will give you that. SAT fee waiver भी अगर तुम्हें मिला था, you will also give you a fee waiver. And if you are orphan or ward of court, you will also get a fee waiver. But the thing is that CSS profile fee waiver ये तो चल ही जाता है, but sometimes कभी-कभी काम नहीं करता. In that case, what you have to do is that you have to submit your common app applications and then put that application ID and mail it to the financial aid officers. ठीक है. And उसके बाद you have to ask them for a CSS free waiver. In most of the cases, 60% of the cases they give you that. ठीक है. And मैंने खुद भी try किया है, so basically वही है. Try to be formalized and also put your common app like yeah ID तो देना ही है. ठीक है. And also mention कि हाँ देखो यार मेरा like I had this problem, my father's income is this, blah blah blah. कुछ बहुत crisp language से लिखना है because they are ready to give you, most of them are ready to give you CSS free waiver, most of them. For some more things about like some more things which you should know about CSS free waiver is that you have to submit a lot of things like your income. If you are someone like a freelancer like me, so you have to submit that as well. And yeah, it falls in untaxed. You have to submit the scholarships as well. You have to submit what is the siblings tuition or education fees for the next year. रिटायरमेंट के पैसे भी सबमिट करना पड़ता है. ठीक है. एंड ओनली सबमिट दोस थिंग्स व्हिच यू आर एबल टू शो. ठीक है. बिकॉज अगर तुम अनटैक्स में बहुत ज़्यादा डाल दे रहे हो एंड बाद में अगर तुम्हें गड़बड़ी हो जाएगी, दिस विल बी वेरी क्लोज बिकॉज तुम्हारा कॉलेज का एप्लीकेशन एडमिट होने के बाद भी कैंसिल हो जा सकता है. ठीक है. बिकॉज CSS प्रोफाइल यू हैव टू मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस इफ यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर फाइनेंशियल एड you have to fill it up again and again. Like every year you have to like refresh it sometimes. ठीक है. In some colleges. वरना like in a lot of colleges उनका खुद का application process होता है. Once you get admitted, you will fill up that only. ठीक है. So this is something major. ठीक है. And for the retirement पैसे you can show LIC, you can show savings, RD के पैसे कुछ. But yeah, basically वही है. ठीक. सब policies रहेंगी तो दिखा देना and don't try to hide everything. ठीक है. If you're like financial, if your family income is less than 30 lakhs every single year, ठीक है, it's highly probable that you are eligible for 95% plus scholarship and financial aid. ठीक है. So this is something you need to know. And most of the cases it's like that only. So yeah, no worry मत करो. Yeah, and if you are also in some major issues like suppose divorce नहीं हो रहा and yeah, a lot of students have these problems. ठीक है. So you can also mention it there. ठीक है. Like mention किया जा सकता है वो सब. And another thing which is most of the students don't know is that there are extra questions for some particular universities like Columbia का होता है कुछ. ठीक है. Like it's basically generally related to pre-college funds or loans, but there are some supplemental questions like थोड़े बहुत, like you don't have to write big essays like supplemental essays, वो उतना नहीं होता, but there are questions. So do keep that in mind. And I guess that's all for the CSS profile fee here. And if you have any doubts, comment it out. And yeah, I've made a video on CSS profile as well, so click it here on my personal channel. And I've also made a video on common app for Indians, so usko bhi dekh lena. ठीक है. And we have this community called Abroad for Better Future. So the thing is that it's a very very helpful community if you want to join. It's particularly for undergrad, take applying to USA basically, and it's free of cost to join basically. So yeah, you are not earning any profit from it. If you just want to help people, that's all. So I guess that's all for this. And you can see our website is linked there. I will put the application form in the comments, also in the description, so you can fill that up. And I guess that's all for this video. अभी के लिए इतना था, and I will help you there.